The reason I picked plumbing is because I'd done it for work experience in school, and I thought it'd be a good way to go, and I heard the staff in the NRC were good. In level 2, I've learnt about all the basics such as the tools and materials I need for what I'm doing and bending pipe. And level 3, I'm hoping to be learning about gas, boilers and heating. In 5 years from now, I hope to be working for myself and have my own knowledge of what I need to do that.